That was a sample response from the Magic 8 Ball app. I was thinking about a random app that can make decisions for me. Initially, it was a toss coin app, but I opted creating an 8 ball app that has some witty answers. Now let me show you how I built this simple app. Alright, let's get started with setting up our project. For this endeavor, we'll be using a combination of powerful tools and technologies. First up, we have JavaScript, the programming language that will bring our app to life. To write our code, we'll be using Visual Studio Code, an incredibly versatile and user-friendly IDE. Running our app smoothly is made possible with the help of Node.js, a powerful framework. And guess what? We'll be building our app right on Telegram, a platform that holds endless possibilities. Don't worry about gathering everything you need. The link to all of the necessary resources will be provided on the video description. Before we dive into coding, let's start mapping out our flowchart. So here's the plan. We'll break it down into simple steps. First, we need to come up with a list of answers for our 8-ball app. Now that we have our answers, we'll need to create a logic for a random number generator or RNG, helping us select an answer randomly from the list. Once the RNG logic is in place, we can now move on to setting up the app interface. We'll add an option for the users to ask a question. When they do, we'll trigger a generate answer logic and display the selected answer on the app. Additionally, we'll include a button that generates a random answer when clicked. This will provide some spontaneous option for our users. Lastly, to ensure that our server doesn't get overloaded, let's introduce a delay of 5 to 30 seconds before allowing another question or answer generation. Now let's get coding and bring this app to life. To work on our project, we first communicated with BotFodder to obtain our API key. Next, we organized our answers by storing them in a JSON file. We installed the necessary dependencies to enhance our development process. Subsequently, we implemented the random number generator logic to enable the selection of answers at random. To engage users, we added a command called /q, which allows them to ask questions within our app. Additionally, we incorporated a button logic that triggers the generation of a random answer when clicked. To prevent server overload, we included a delay logic to both button and question commands. For a more detailed walkthrough on the code, please refer to the link provided in the description. I also have uploaded the project in GitHub. The link can be found on the description as well. Okay, let's ask some questions to our 8-ball app. I have this one burning question. Will I ever be able to eat just one potato chip? Okay. Let's ask this one next. Should I audition for a role as a superhero sidekick with absolutely no superpowers? Okay, next. Will I ever become a professional procrastinator and still achieve great success? Fair enough. Okay, now let's ask questions directly to the app. Will I ever be a unicorn? Wow, yay! Okay, next. I wanted to ask this. Should I quit my day job and become a professional YouTuber? Promising. And for my last question, will I ever win the lottery? Doesn't hurt to ask. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Link in the description for my actual app on Telegram if you want to test it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.